Welcome to my channel. I learn colors name. This is a pink color. This is a blue color. This is a brown color. This is a purple color. This is a light green. This is a green color, and this is a orange color. I learn alphabet A to Z. Let's start. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for frog. G for gorilla. H for house. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snow. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zero. Let's learn repeat alphabet. Please subscribe me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.